Today we're going to be testing the NCL30030GEVB, which is a combination power factor correction and quasi-resonant flyback controller optimized for LED lighting. The equipment we'll be using today will be our AC power supply, followed by our power meter, which is hooked into the back of it, and that will be hooked to the AC inputs on our board. We also have a DC supply between 1 and 10 volts for our dimming feature. The positive will be hooked to the 1 to 10 volt dimming and the negative to the common. Then we also have our outputs, both black negative, red positive. We have a voltmeter and an ammeter here. And we also have our LED load on our output, and our LED load can be varied between a VF of 60 volts and 210 volts. And once again, we have the positive of our 1 to 10 volt DC dimming feature hooked into barrel 2 of our header. And then again, we have our negative hooked into the common, or barrel 7. And also shorted to our common is our on-off switch. This is an option for an on-off switch, but we're just shorting it for this. And we also have our TCO shorted to our common as well. And once again, for our load, we're going to hook our negative into our common. And our positive, we're going to be using our 60 volt VF. And on our AC supply, we're going to set our AC source to anywhere between 110 and 277 volts AC, 50 to 60 hertz, and turn it on. Next, we're going to make sure that our DC supply is set at anywhere between 1 and 10 volts. And turn it on. And here we can see that by adjusting our DC input between 1 and 10 volts, we can adjust the brightness of our LEDs. Now we're going to go ahead and turn off our 10 volt dimming supply. And then we're also going to turn off our AC source. And now we're going to switch our LED load from our 60 volts VF over to our 210 VF. And once again, we're going to make sure we have between 110 and 277 volts AC and turn on our source. And then next, we're going to turn on our dimming supply. And once again, we can vary our dimming supply between 1 and 10 volts and adjust the brightness of our LEDs. And this concludes the test of the NCL30030GEVB Power Factor Correction and Quasi-Resonant Flyback Controller Evaluation Board. For more information, please visit www.onsemi.com or contact an authorized distributor.